गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए जो मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन भेजा था वो आपने ज़रूर ऑब्ज़र्व किया होगा, देखा होगा और उसके अनुसार आपको काम भी करना है। आज मैं चैप्टर 1 साइंस का न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स को अभी शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ। पहले मैं ये बता दूँ कि इसमें पीपीटी और वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग एक साथ है। आप पीपीटी खोलेंगे, इसके साथ आपको हमारी आवाज़ और इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हुए उस पीपीटी को आप सुनेंगे और पीपीटी को देखेंगे। उसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स भी लिखे हुए हैं, उसको आप समझ सकते हैं आसानी से। तो अब मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ। न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नो व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिशन। Nutrition means it is a process of obtaining nutrients from food and utilize them to obtain energy for growth purpose and to maintain other requirements of our body. So, nutrition is very essential for our survival, as without nutrition or providing nutrients to our body, it is quite impossible to survive for any living things. It means no living things can survive. So this process is very essential. Now, the term is nutrients. Nutrition means providing nutrients to the body. So the general or common definition of the nutrients is the component of foods like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. These components of food are commonly called nutrients. In previous class, you have already studied about the different components of food. You are well aware it. So, these components of food, that is nutrients, provide or perform a lot of work in our body. As for example, it helps to build our bodies, it helps to grow our body, it also helps the damaged parts of our bodies, it also helps in repairing of that damaged part. To provide energy, it is very essential function of the nutrients to carry out or to perform different activities, day-to-day activities. As for performing day-to-day activities, it is very essential to provide nutrients. So without energy we are not able to do any kind of work. So we do work with the help of energy, and that energy is supplied by food stuff, through food. So the nutrients or the component of foods provide multi-purpose work in our body. Now the nutrition or mode of nutrition. How can we get nutrition? There are different type of living things found around us, and these living things get nutrition different ways, or the mode of nutrition vary in different living things. As for example, this mode means the way they get nutrition. The first mode of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition, and we have to study this mode of nutrition, as this autotrophic mode of nutrition is found only in green plants. So our heading, our topic is the nutrition in plants. So autotrophic mode of nutrition in the nutrition in which organisms can prepare their own food, as we are or we all are aware with this fact that due to presence of chlorophyll, green plants are able to synthesize their own food from the simple molecules like carbon dioxide, water, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They convert them into complex molecules in the form of glucose or so-called starch, and this is utilized by green plants, and it also provide food for other animals. So organisms which are able to do photosynthesis, green plants, the mode of nutrition is autotrophic. The other way of or the second type of mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. In this type, the animals obtain their food directly or indirectly from plants. So they are not able to synthesize their food. So they must be dependent upon green plants which was synthesized or prepared by photosynthesis. So heterotrophic organisms, the example of heterotrophic organisms are all animals or non-photosynthetic plant like fungi, which are plant but they are devoid or they do not have chlorophyll. So they also get their nutrition in heterotrophic mode. Now I want to introduce photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. So if anybody asks you what are the materials needed for the photosynthesis, so there are four materials. The materials are sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. If one of the components among the four is absent, photosynthesis doesn't take place. So for doing photosynthesis, four materials are needed. Photosynthesis takes place in leaves. You know that the color of leaves is green, and the color is green due to the presence of a green pigment that is called chlorophyll. And this is the green pigment chlorophyll. Plants are autotrophs, and they are able to do photosynthesis. Sunlight, which is obtained from the sun, and this is why that the sunlight is also known as the ultimate source of energy. It means the survival of all living things is directly or indirectly dependent upon sunlight. Water is absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. You know that plants grow in the soil. Within the soil, water molecules are present, water is present, and the function of root is to absorb water, and they send to the leaves. Chlorophyll are already present. So now this is the introduction or the different mode of nutrition. In second lecture I will complete. Now I will give you some assignment. On the basis of that topic you will answer it. Thank you.